Alright guys, so today I'm going to be going over, sorry for the wind noise, a BMW X6 battery replacement. Pretty simple job, and I will be going over how to do a battery program also. So first of all, batteries in the trunk. You have to take out this plastic paneling, which is right in the back here. You have four or five Phillips, one here, 2, 3 right there, and then 2 in the bottom on the left side of this container. So yeah, there's 2 down there. You'll see them when you get to this. And you can just pull this out, and I'm just tucking it further into the trunk. Next up, you have your battery compartment area. You want to undo, first things first, you want to undo this bracket. This bracket holds the battery down, like so right here. The way you do it is you have a 10mm bolt here and a 10mm bolt here, and they go, it fits kind of like this respectively. So you have that bolt hole, and then you have that bolt hole under those wires. Pull that out, your battery is technically loose. Well, actually not technically loose, because you have a second battery mount, which is this guy right here, and it holds onto your battery right there, like so. So you got to get all those off. So those 2 mounts off, and then the battery is free. Then you want to disconnect it from the terminal. So you have your negative right there, 10mm. You have this IBS, I believe is what they call it. That's a 13mm right there. That's a nut that the nut has to come completely off, thrown into your little container, and then you're good. And then another 10mm right there for your positive terminal. Lastly, disconnect your vent, and you are good to go in this sense. Let's see, what else I gotta talk about. So I didn't want to lose like the clock and all the radio presets, so if I had a battery tender or some type of battery charger, I would connect it, but I don't at my parents' garage. So what I'm doing is connecting the battery from the X5 to the X6, and Bob's your uncle, this thing still has power, so you shouldn't lose any of your battery, your radio presets or clock presets. So what you want to do is throw this guy back in, reverse of assembly, and that is it. I did get a little kit with all the vent stuff, just in case the BMW stuff doesn't fit. We'll see once I get to that point, and that's it. So quick 3-minute overview of how to replace a battery. The next video you'll see is me reprogramming it using some software. Thanks for watching.